Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of KeyBank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a key.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of KeyBank, you can see the box where you can see the sign in option on the right screen. You click on sign on. Here you will be redirected to the login form page where you need to provide your user ID, then provide your password. After you provide both the details, that is your user ID and password, you simply click on sign on where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of KeyBank. Just in case, if you forgot your password or user ID for the online banking of KeyBank, you need to click on the link given below, that is problem signing on. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further procedure that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of KeyBank. Thank you.